The range anxiety is a real thing. What is important to develop electric trucks is that the driver will have no range anxiety. And once he doesn't have any range anxiety, I'm pretty convinced that most drivers will prefer an electric truck.
Say goodbye to range anxiety. With a trailblazing range of 500 kilometers without recharging and a peak output of 600 kilowatts, the eActros 600 effortlessly tackles even long-distance routes. And thanks to Megawatt Charging, it goes from 20% to 80% in approximately 30 minutes.
Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.